interesting thing about trading is that you can get 10 different traders and the same chart in the same room, and you're going to get 10 different types of analysis on what's going to happen. You're going to get 10 different approaches, 10 different perspectives, 10 different fill in the blanks about how to get long or short a stock. In my personal opinion, and this is just me, all the years that I've been trading, the way that I look at it is that trading is about moving price action from one level to another. Whether it's demand, whether it's supply, it's moving from one level to another level. One key level gets pushed up to another key level. One key level breaks down, price action then moves down to a previous key level. So the one thing that I want to show you about is how do you react to stocks that are moving? Well, primary example, we're going to look at DOGZ. Today is the 30th, and you can see that price action is just kind of moving up right through here. And then all of a sudden, price action comes back to a key level, putting in what's called an ascending triangle. Very, very nice little squeeze here. And you can see that right at this apex, price action steps up, creates a new little level right through here, and then price action pulls back, does the exact same thing, creates an ascending triangle, and then squeezes long. This happened twice today, and if you go back, you will see that it happened here, and price action squeezed long. I'll show you. Price action puts in this high. This is what's referred to as level. It's a previous double top. If you go back even further, you'll see that there is what's called structure. It's set through here, here, all the way through here, a little bit of fake action. Price action then drops. We find some resistance, but when it gets ready to squeeze, look what happens. This is a pattern that shows up over and over and over and over again. It's a non-negotiable. It happens over and over and over again. You'll see right through here. There's a trough. Price action puts in a peak. It pulls back, and you've got the same thing again right through here on a longer time frame. So trading to me is all about level to level, and you can see right through here. Here's another example of price action moves up, creates what's called a double top, pulls back, and then it takes out that level and runs. And when it comes back down to reality, where does it come back down to? Another level. What does it do? It moves into another level. Trading is all about levels, and when you understand levels and understand high probability patterns, and you understand that volatility kicks off at these levels, you then have a recipe for consistent trading. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Julian at JuliusTrading.com.